Alterations Studio provides clothing alterations and repairs to customers throughout Arnold and beyond. With over 30 years of experience in the tailor's craft, our team of 2 friendly employees, who are both experienced and qualified to a highest standard, are able to carry out any minor or major repairs you may have. We deliver a variety of clothing alterations and repairs to both businesses, which are designed to suit any budget at all times. With a fully fitted workshop, we pride ourselves on offering a friendly service and helping clients to save time and money. For further information, feel free to browse our website, call in or contact the team on 07428 541 598. We look forward to seeing you soon.